Hey, GGS Northfield students and staff members, excited to talk to you about Math Day. I want to talk specifically about the schedule for Math Day, how it's going to work so you can make sure you're in the right places. It is a little complex when we press pause on some of our learning for 540 students and shuffle around. So let's just make sure everyone gets a chance to understand what's happening. First thing is the basics. Sixth grade has their Math Day from 9 to 11. Seventh grade has theirs from 11 to 1:15, and eighth grade has theirs from 2 to 4. When it's your time for Math Day, whether you're a sixth grader, seventh grader, or eighth grader, you're going to go to your Block 4 class. That's the group that you're rotating with. The reason that we chose Block 4 is because there are not electives that time, so there's fewer multi-grade classes. It makes it easier for us to organize students by grade level. So you're going to go to your Block 4 teacher's class, and from there, they are going to escort you to the math stations. So there are 3 stations that sixth grade you will go to. You do not start the day by going to advisory. In fact, no one starts the day by going to advisory. You'll go sixth grade, you'll go to your Block 4 class to start the day on Thursday. They'll take you to your rotation. After that, you'll see that it lists some schedule modifications on this document. Because Mr. Perez and Ms. Marshall's class are being used for Math Day, you can see we'll have a sign outside Mr. Perez's door that says Block 1 students, go to Miss Hannah's room. We'll have a sign outside of Miss Marshall's door that says Block 1 math students, go to Mr. Reed's room. This is going to show you where to go. You can see that sixth grade also has a schedule modification. All students with electives Block 1 are going to go to art in Miss Jones' art room in room 227. The same thing will happen for our Block 2 electives. They would all go to art. If you have Block 2 electives at 118, you would be going to art in Miss Jones' room. And again, it's on the schedule, which I have linked on the student page if you want to consult it yourself. So just checking these little modifications here, that should help us. Seventh grade, you're going to start with Block 1, same in eighth grade. Seventh grade and eighth grade, you'll both have Block 2. Notice there are some schedule modifications. So if you have Mr. Case 7th grade math Block 1, you're going to be going to Mr. Hostetler's room. If you have Miss Doherty's, you'll be going to Mr. Bury's room. These schedule modifications are on the document. Lunch is going to be the same time as normal. Sixth grade will have ILT. Seventh and eighth grade will not have ILT. Eighth grade, when you go to Block 1, or seventh grade and eighth grade, when you go to Block 1 and Block 2 electives, it'll be exactly the same. In seventh and eighth grade for your Block 3 electives, just know in eighth grade, it'll be only eighth grade. And in seventh grade, it'll be only seventh grade. We've tried to figure those things out. There are some small schedule modifications. Like in Block 1, if you have a seventh grader who takes eighth grade math, you'll go there as normal. But if you're a sixth grader and you take seventh grade math during Block 1, you would go to Prof. Boyk's room. So we put some of those small schedule modifications like advanced math down below on this document. Take a look at the document. It's on the student page. If you really care, you can get a chance to look at it. If not, we'll be able to point you in the direction. Teachers, one last thing that we are excited for you to know. When you are rotating through your stations, and let's see if I can move this so I can show that. So when we are rotating through our stations, it tells you where you're going to be going. So Mr. Perez's Block 4 class, they'll go to room 213, then they go to room 210, and then they go to room 203. So it tells you where to go. The teachers are going to be leading the content there. So teachers are going to get a chance to kind of enjoy this Math Day experience from that student perspective, to play the casino games, to play the carnival games, to do the pizza math geometry. So it should be a lot of fun. We're really excited for it. Hopefully this just helps folks know a little bit about how our schedule is going to work. Looking forward to it.